Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create a game pass in Roblox, and all you have to do is to launch your web browser. From here, you're going to search for roblox.com, or you can just launch it through your phone. From there, it's going to take you to this kind of a page, and in here I'm going to click on create. And I can decide to make sure that I've scrolled down here on the left side, and I've arrived at monetization, in which I'm going to click on passes. From there, I am going to click on create a pass. From there, I can either decide to change it, in which you want me to upload one from my Fire Manager. If I do have any videos, let's say choose this one, and I'm going to tap on open. And then I'm going to name it as Ping-Pong. And then from here, I am going to tap on create pass. And from there, I am going to tap on the pass that I've created and going to tap on sales. From there, I'm going to toggle this on. I'm going to put it at a 5. And I'm going to be earning 70%, which will be 3 Robux. Then I'm going to tap on save changes. In the case tax, you did save it and you are not able to see it here at the passes. All you can do is to go back. Then I'm going to click on this auction. Then I'm going to tap on the gear icon. Then I'm going to tap on settings. I'm going to tap on privacy, and I am going to scroll down until I've been able to gather settings into everyone, yes, and everyone. And they have asked the same thing. And if in the case that you are not able to see your passes, all you can do is to refresh the page again, and you're going to be able to see it. As you can see, I'm able to see it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.